Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to import Trust Wallet into MetaMask. This process allows you to consolidate your digital assets or utilize MetaMask's unique features. We will walk through each step carefully, ensuring a smooth and secure transfer. Whether you are using a mobile device or a desktop computer, these instructions will help you manage your cryptocurrency more effectively. Let's get started with the first crucial step. To begin, open your Trust Wallet application and navigate to the Settings menu, usually represented by a gear icon. From there, tap on Wallets and select the specific wallet you intend to import. You will then find an option to reveal your secret recovery phrase, which is a sequence of 12 words. Carefully write down this phrase, ensuring absolute accuracy. For a single account, you might also export its private key. Remember, this information is the key to your funds, so keep it extremely private and secure. Now open your MetaMask application or browser extension. If you are setting up MetaMask for the first time, select Import Wallet or Get Started. If you already have an account, you can add a new one by clicking your account icon and selecting Import Account. Choose the option to import using a secret recovery phrase. Carefully type or paste your 12-word phrase in the exact order. Finally, create a new, robust password for your MetaMask wallet to secure your newly imported assets. Security is paramount when managing your digital assets. Always remember to never share your secret recovery phrase or private keys with anyone, under any circumstances. These are the master keys to your funds. Store your recovery phrase offline, perhaps on a piece of paper in a safe place, away from digital vulnerabilities. Always double-check that you are using official wallet applications or browser extensions to avoid scams. Stay vigilant against phishing attempts and suspicious links to protect your investments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.